man, they're cow specialist, brother. Come look for my friend and tell him, say, you know, you want your cow. So the man say, where my cow I do you? Every time the cow see me, cow a queen. Yeah.
Right now, I tell us my phone full of Bawdacat videos, and this is another one. I laugh until I water come on me, yeah. Not the Vice Cartel voice note intro, but it's a good video. Only can like it for now. Only gonna laugh until on the belly bottom cramp. Enjoy.
Forget, but
Regular.
Wakasi.
Wakasi?
Yeah.
Because I not play my role. I not pay attention to my yard. I not pay attention to my woman.
Why you're
I not do what I'm supposed to.
Yeah, why? You're not see why? Why you're not?
No, I'm not see no cat.
Oh,
Me
so
lick
why
clip.
you're not
No, what
turn
about that
waist
cat?
right?
When me give me a every time, no? Me not no cat. Me lick clip. I'm a turn waist good, but at the same time, you know as a cultural man, now do that. So you find so a lot of the interview the big woman and the small woman, so she go find.
Why you know about me?
But you know do them something, man. You know eat.
Yeah, keep it as that.
Right.
Cat say keep it as that. That's a suspicious answer about a cat. Then again, you name cat, Bawdacat.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
So you are do all of those
Yes.
and your woman still a cheat on you?
No, I still cheat for me. Because me never know so that me fi do. I don't know.
Okay, so before she did a cheat when you wasn't doing that.
You're right,
So
right.
now you start,
Yes,
everything get back under one umbrella.
yes.
That is it.
So one for you now, what you say?
Well, my woman no need to cheat for me, you know.
Why?
Because me is just a package.
No, front door right up.
Just no worry yourself, man.
No, nobody grown up. Come answer for your question.
Where you
ask me.
talk about from two go right up with
Front
one?
door, man. Lick toe go right up,
No,
man.
me just a package for my woman.
So let me ask you.
Yeah, she's satisfied with me and what me can do and what me do.
So what you do?
My ballhead brother, I go chat about lick from toe go right up. When the woman come home from work with her foot well dirty, probably stick to him and lick from toe go straight up. That's why I don't hear on his goddamn head.
That not relevant.
So
to
you ask me question and me give my
never
pocket.
ask you that.
So I chat too
Me
much.
ask you, me ask you what make your woman cheat for you.
Cat, me done blood clot you. You go like you want to go on me too like
I'm
the
not
idea.
go around here. Me
Me
just
answer your
tell you say
question
my
and I'm
woman
good.
not cheat for me because she's satisfied with the package.
Alright.
Yeah.
Loud and clear, still. Me understand.
That
Say,
is it.
loud and clear.
Yeah.
Your name front. Loud and clear.
No worry, man. Put it to your way, man.
Loud and clear.
Because you want to tell yourself, say me do the same thing like what you do.
Yeah, because you tell me say package. That means everything you do, all inclusive.
No, but my woman can't love her.
All inclusive. Wait a minute. I want to tell you about that chat about her. They look a ballhead old man. I'm do everything, you know. Alkaline.
Different package from where your woman look.
Then that's what.
Eh?
Then that's
You
what.
just
Tell me.
turn waist.
So you good for turn way, sir?
So you doubt that?
Enough your old
What
blood clot
reason
yet.
for you do?
Because you know so hot again like one
What
time, you know.
cost that? What cost that? Why you did that make up around me?
Yo, we are suck about the wine, you know,
Me
no,
not
you know, so
think so,
strong.
me not think so, me not think so.
They say,
My
oh man, still strong.
waist just active. Yeah, just active. Remember say waist just get good waistband now and something. yeah.
But I can say, yeah, waistband. Put on my yard when my bubbling wife. Tell me now, if this man I don't real old comedian. If I make tears that come from me eye to rotted clot. John know Badwacat. You feel cool?
Oh, and I penny say I just call him specialize in our. So as small as big as your see cow is, have a better hole and goat. So goat hole no good like for cow. And man them walk miles figure for cow, you know. Anyway you tie your cow, you know. That man chew a bucket of water can go there go give him, you know. Sit down and watch cow till he get horny, you know. Tie up this blood clot and this if he can't this in stone it to death. Whereas if he go down when he look at bull cow, you stop stone this blood clot till it broke up. You can't see your cow broke up. Mash up. Yeah, man, man. The man they took out from St. Margaret's Bay upon bicycle come a port, you know.
The blood
Shit
clot.
up, you know. The man
This man so funny. Water come from here from laughing. I swear to God, the people around me must have wonder. What happened to the youth? They must have, I'm mad in my man. What if we should call 911? But this man really love cow. No, sir.
bicycle stink, you know, brother. Yeah, man, they go down so go go and take a calf, carry up saying and raise this for himself.
Fuck.
Yeah, man, they are cow specialist, brother. Come look for my friend and tell him, say, yeah, me know, you want your cow. So the man say, where my cow I do you? Every time the cow see me, the cow a queen, yeah. Tell him say you have to left the man blood clot cow. The man cow not trouble, yeah. You are trouble the man cow, yeah. Every time that man see a cow, him in a problem, you know. If him go so and he see a cow, I say him have to turn back, you know. And that man have problem with cow, brother.
Listen. A man take a calf, cow calf, go in yard. This man is a cowophile, pedophile, aka cowophile. Then he might tell people say you for one and cow a queen. What? Bawdacat, I hope this is fiction and not true, cause trust me, yo. Man, my belly button, my heart, me told me a laugh star. Me all stuff up. Yo, another great video. Yeah, tell us, say, yo, Bawdacat have me laughing so till tears are come on my eye. So me decided to share this with you guys so no can laugh so till tears come on phone eye. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, please. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell if you haven't as yet. And share the video, the tongue twist. Share the video with your friends, your family, and even your enemy, and your dirty nasty ex. Yeah, man, don't just keep the jokes, don't keep the fun, don't keep the laughter to yourself. Share it with everybody. Help me grow the channel. Bless.